Hello, my dear friends, how are you? I hope that you are all fine today. This is Ms. Isra Saad from Science Team at New Generation Language School. By the end of this video, students will be able to identify the organs of nervous system. So, our session for today is about sense at work. Do you know that, my friend, human can listen to music through the organ of hearing, which is ears? Exactly. And owls have extraordinary senses of hearing and sight to find the prey in the dark. Prey means food. Right. Dogs have a very sharp senses of hearing and smell, so they used in guarding. So again, dogs have very sharp senses of hearing and smell, so they use in guarding. Egyptian monks used send sounds to other friends to move from one place to another or to search for food. Super. And now we're gonna talk about the dolphin super sense. Dolphins have super sense that help them to number one, survive, number two, searching for food, number three, protect themselves underwater. So the most sharp sense that dolphins have is the sense of hearing. They can hear all sounds or all sound tunes. Do you know that, my friend, dolphins use echolocation that depends on echo. Again, echolocation that depends on echo to detect the location of anything under the water. Okay, and dolphin produced sound waves travel through the water as you see in this picture. Okay, and they had objects. They bounce back to dolphins in the form of echo. So do you know that, my friend? Echo helps dolphin locate their prey. Don't forget that. Again, echo helps dolphin locate their prey. Super. Look at this picture and tell me, what is he doing now? What is he doing now? He's using senses of hearing and sight to collect information from the environment. And what about this picture? Yes, Yahya? Super! Clap your hands for Yahya. Yahya said she is using senses of taste and smell when she eating. And what about this picture? Azza? Super Azza. Azza said he is using sense of hearing to listen to music from the environment. Super. And finally, this picture, yes, Roba? Yes, Super Roba. Roba said he is using sense of touch in holding a piece of ice. Super. And you know that, my friends, humans and animals can use more than one sense, as you saw in the previous slides, for more than one purpose to be able to adapt to their habitat. Fox. What about fox? Fox uses senses of hearing, sight. Why? To avoid dangers. Chameleon uses senses of sight, taste. Why? Or give reason to search for food. Dog and cat use senses of smell, sight. Why? Or give reason to recognize friends. Or to know friends. Monkey Monkey. Monkey uses senses of touch, smell, sight, taste, and finally hearing to identify things or to know things. Do you know that monkey uses its five senses to distinguish between things it eats or risks it faces? And now it's your turn, my friends. Fill in the following using the information you have learned from the previous slides. You can write more than one sentence. Okay, so we have here three pictures: owl, gazelle, and finally dogs. And you have 5 seconds. Okay, Anas. The first question, searching for food by using sense of. Excellent, Anas. Anas said sight. Okay, safe. Gazelle, avoiding danger by using sense of. Super, hearing. And finally, dogs and cats recognizing friends by using sense of. Okay, Sarah. Super, Sarah. Sarah Mu'taz said sense of sight and smell. Okay, or hearing. It's your break time. You can eat one sandwich. Okay. And now we're gonna talk about the super sensory organs. The first question, can a human see everything clearly inside the dark room? Exactly no. Can an owl see its prey in the dark during night? Yeah. How? We have a type of animals called nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals. So we have the type of animals called nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals. Repeat after me. Nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals, they are animals that become active at night because, number one, in hot areas, the weather becomes cool enough during night. Number two, some animals hunt at night because the prey are available at night only. And finally, some animals are active at night to hide from prey and eat them. Snake supersensory adaptation. Do you know that snakes can't see at night? Okay? Snakes can see but at night. But they can't hunt at night. How? They able to sense heat using their face to locate their prey. Number two, pat supersensory adaptation. Pat. Bats can't see very well in the dark. They use echolocation like dolphins by sending sound waves as they use their hearing sense to locate their prey, as insects. When they hear their sound echo, as you see in this picture. super sensory adaptation. Owl. Owl. Owl have extraordinary eyesight and hearing. Owl has bowl-shaped face as you see in this picture, and large eyes to find prey as you see. This is the large eyes. Owl can rotate their head in all directions to search for food, for prey. I think it's funny. And now break. You can eat one sandwich. Okay, and now we're gonna talk about the nervous system. Nervous system consists of number one, brain. So repeat after me. Brain. Spinal cord. Spinal cord. Spinal cord. Nerves. So nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, nerves. Number one, the brain. The brain is the main control center of the body. Don't forget the sentence, okay? Brain is the main control center of the body. Number two, spinal cord. Spinal cord carries messages from the brain to the body and from the body to the brain, and it passes through backbone. Don't forget this point. It passes through backbone. And finally, nerves carries messages from the brain to the spinal cord and the body, and from the body to the brain and spinal cord. Okay? I think it's so easy. Sensory organs collect information. How? Our sensory organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. And do you know that the nerves transmit information from sensory organ to the brain, as you see in this picture, in the form of electrical impulses? The nerves found in the sensory organ are called sensory receptors. The nerves found in eyes and heart are directly connected to the brain. Don't forget this point. It's a very important point. The nerves found in eyes and heart are directly connected to the brain. Don't forget that, okay? Remember it. Nervous system and pizza. When you smell pizza, sensory receptors in your nose send signals to the brain through nerves. These smell information processed by the brain to make a response, such as knowing the type of the food. When you touch a spines of the cactus plant, you will withdraw your hand quickly in less than 1 second. And when your boy hears a snake moving, it jumps quickly in less than 1 second. So, which system is responsible for movement in such suitable situation? It's a nervous system. Super. Jorboa or jumping jorboa. The Egyptian jorboa, this animal is called jorboa. The Egyptian jorboa is a species of desert rodents. It has very large ears, as you see in this picture. It has large ears. Why? To hear, smell small snakes. It has small eyes, as you see in this picture, and long hind legs, as you see. Why? To jump distances. Do you know that its feet and toes have hair, as you see, to catch its hand when it jumps because it lives in desert? Okay, and it hops in zigzag pattern to run away quickly. When the jorboa hears snakes, the ears send a message through nerves to the brain, which translates this message and send order to legs to jump. The jorboa starts to jump away from the danger in zigzag paths. The time taken by a jorboa to react to danger is known as reaction time. So what is the meaning of reaction time? It's the time taken by an organism's body to react to different stimuli around it. When a bird makes sound, your ears send message through the nerves to the brain. The brain processes this sound and send signal to tell the body what to do, like searching for the bird. And thanks for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.